in from Maharashtra. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has slammed the opposition for its remark over the Prime Minister's apology for the collapse of the Shivaji statue. The opposition had trained guns at the Prime Minister, claiming that the apology was petty. Meanwhile, we all remember the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Sindhudurg had collapsed on the 26th of August. It was a 35-foot tall statue that was inaugurated by the Prime Minister in December last year. So it's been just 9 months and the statue has collapsed. The opposition, of course, lost no time in slamming the central government for the collapse of the statue, claiming that it is an unpardonable sin and that the Prime Minister should remove the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra from their post. This is what the Congress had stated. Meanwhile, of course, Devendra Fadnavis has hit out claiming that the opposition is now being petty. We, of course, heard the Prime Minister yesterday. He had stated that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is not just a name for him, but his idol as well, and that he bows and places his head at the feet of his beloved idol and apologizes. He was, of course, addressing a rally at Maharashtra's Palghar. In fact, we have the soundbite of the Prime Minister as well. Let's first listen in to what he had stated yesterday.
जिस प्रकार से प्रार्थना करता है उसे भक्ति भाव से आशीर्वाद लेकर के मैंने राष्ट्र सेवा की एक नई यात्रा का आरंभ किया था। पिछले दिनों सिंधुदुर्ग में जो हुआ, मेरे लिए, मेरे सभी साथियों के लिए छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ये सिर्फ नाम नहीं है। हमारे लिए छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ये सिर्फ राजा महाराजा राजपुरुष मात्र नहीं है। हमारे लिए छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज आराध्य देव है। और मैं आज सर झुका करके मेरे आराध्य देव छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की उनके चरणों में मस्तक रख के माफी मांगता हूं। हमारे संस्कार अलग है। हम वो लोग नहीं हैं जो आए दिन भारत मां के महान सपूत इसी धरती के लाल वीर सावरकर को अनाप शनाप गालियां देते रहते हैं, अपमानित करते रहते हैं, देशभक्तों की भावनाओं को कुचलते हैं। उसके बावजूद भी वीर सावरकर को गालियां देने के बावजूद भी माफी मांगने को जो तैयार नहीं है, अदालतों में जाकर के लड़ाई लड़ने को तैयार है, इतने बड़े महान सपूत का अपमान करके जिनको पश्चाताप नहीं होता है, महाराष्ट्र की जनता उनके संस्कार को अब जान ले। और ये हमारे संस्कार है कि इस धरती पर आते ही आज मैंने पहला काम मेरे आराध्य देव छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज में उनके चरणों में सर झुका करके क्षमा मांगने का कर रहा हूं।
My colleague Pratmesh with us on the broadcast. Pratmesh, of course, the political battleground in Maharashtra continues to heat up. This time, the opposition, of course, talking about the collapse of the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Sindhudurg that had collapsed on the 26th of August. They've lost no time in training guns at the BJP and Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena's government. The Congress and the Shiv Sena UBT are demanding the resignation of both the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister. The Prime Minister yesterday, while in Maharashtra, had apologized. The opposition has stated that that's just a pretense, and Devendra Fadnavis has now hit back, claiming that the opposition is being petty. Take our viewers through what's happening as far as the political showdown in the aftermath of the collapse of the statue is concerned.
Yes, as in the Maharashtra as well, the politics isn't played on this. Even every party is coming on this, and they are giving the statements as well. As we have seen the few days ago, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue was been collapsed in Sindhudurg. Then after that, the politics was been done by Shiv Sena UBT as well, NCP, Congress, everyone were coming on the ground. The protests were happening over there against of the government as well. So on this, yesterday PM Modi visited Palghar, and he stated that as soon as I came into the land of Maharashtra, land of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and on that only I am apologize to all the people as well as the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj that the statue was been collapsed. And even after that, Deputy CM of Maharashtra Devendra Fadnavis has also stated that the opposition is only seeing the politics in this incident. They can't see beyond the politics. The Prime Minister has openly apologized to all the Shivaji devotees over there, doing the politics on this pettiness and the opposition. And even the Congress has before demanded that the Prime Minister should remove CM as well as Deputy CM of Maharashtra from their post as this incident was been happened. But after that, Deputy CM of Maharashtra Devendra Fadnavis has slammed Congress, and he has said that we don't need any Congress certificate. So after this, all the politics was been done over in Maharashtra. Even we have seen in Sindhudurg BJP party workers as well as Shiv Sena UBT party workers were in front of were in front of face to face. So after that, the situation of law and order was been also maintained. Even Devendra Fadnavis has also looked into this matter, and also the SIT has been formed into the matter, as well as the investigation is going on under the Navy super guidance. This investigation is going on. So after this, all the arrest is also been happened. So the investigation is going on. And yesterday, after the PM Modi's Palghar visit, this is a really big statement came from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He apologized to the Shivaji devotees over there, as well as he has apologized to the Shivaji Maharaj also, as well as the statue was being collapsed few days ago. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.